H.S.C. English First Paper Question, Number 5. Fill in the gaps using suitable words. 05. Fill in the gaps using suitable words. There goes a proverb that child is a of the man. Today's child is the b of a nation. He will c the country. The whole d depends on the proper e. It is our fundamental f to rouse their g talent. A sound environment is h, both in the family and the society, so that a child I up physically, mentally and spiritually. Only then it will be j to build up a beautiful and developed country. There goes a proverb that child is a father of the man. Today's child is the b future of a nation. He will c lead the country. The whole d country depends on the proper e development. It is our fundamental f duty responsibility to rouse their g hidden, latent talent. A sound environment is h required both in the family and the society, so that a child I grow up physically, mentally and spiritually. Only then it will be j possible to build up a beautiful and developed country. Answer: a father, b future, c led, d country, e development, f duty responsibility, g hidden, latent, h required, I grow, j possible. Thanks for watching.